Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert videos into your Google Docs. Here I have a sample document. Now let's say I want to enhance these written instructions by adding a video that readers can watch as they follow along. To do this, we'll use a feature called Smart Chips. First, type the word video in your document. Then, press the @ key. Paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to insert. Google Docs will automatically convert that link into a Smart Chip. You can press Tab or simply click on the suggestion to replace the link with the video chip. Now you'll see a Smart Chip with the video's title right inside your document. To view the video, hover your mouse over the title. Then hover over the thumbnail and click it. The video will open in a small window at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to watch it while reading the document. Note: the video isn't embedded inside the document like in Google Slides, but it still offers a convenient way to link and view videos within your doc. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.